Automotive Detailing, and I actually have a unique car here that we don't get all the time. As most of you know that we get a lot of Teslas here, but what I have here is a brand new 2021, but still relatively new BMW M 550i. And what's very unique about this is the paint itself. It has a special shade of a gray, but when you're moving in certain angles of the car, whether if you're zooming in, zooming out, it actually color shifts where it has a bit of that rainbow effect. So this is actually a really cool car that my team actually worked on. And what we did on this car is not only the paint correction where we had to polish the paint just to bring the color back to life, but we also did the XPEL Ultimate Plus 7mm thickness film, and we wrapped the entire car on this where it's completely protected for the years to come. And on top of that, we ceramic coated the car with the 22 PLE ZX Mistico Elemento, where it's good for up to 5 years. So enjoy the car.